Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by organizing your clips. Name camera tracks and keep audio isolated so Pluraleyes can match waveforms quickly. Once done, import all video and separate audio files into a single project. This reduces confusion and speeds processing. Make sure sample rates match. Convert any odd rates first, because mismatched rates cause drift and poor alignment. Now choose a reference track, or let Pluraleyes pick the loudest, clear cue. Hit Analyze to start the automatic syncing pass. Once the automatic pass finishes, inspect the alignment view closely. Zoom into waveforms and look for sections that disagree. If you see minor offsets, change the sync sensitivity or widen the sync range and reanalyze to catch faint cues. For stubborn clips, use manual nudges. Drag a clip a few frames or split and align a problematic segment independently. This hands-on refinement prevents audio pops and keeps dialogue natural, so make those small corrections before committing the timeline. Finish by exporting your sync as a timeline, consolidated clips, or off/edl to your NLE or DAW. Choose markers if you want non-destructive placement. Then verify final playback at multiple points and confirm clip lengths match. Listen for phase issues or gradual drift. If something went wrong, re-import the original files and isolate the troublesome clip, then try a different reference track or shorter sync range. This targeted retry usually fixes alignment without redoing the whole process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.